good, bro? Chillin', man.
Where the place over there?
I Debeaded. I'm over there.
I saw it, nigga. That was today.
That was right now. I'm down the street. I was like, I might as well come.
You what?
Yeah, it was like 2 minutes. It was like 2 minutes, bro. So I'm gonna see how it goes. Yeah. I think it's parking back there, though. I'm gonna see you, though. Got the bikes out, we gotta hit out these cars out real quick, you know what I'm saying? Come to the best shop in Central Florida, you know what I'm saying? That's the one Luther got. Yeah. Just sitting there in parts. Couple old bikes, that's 1,000. Got the old school Ricans on this side. Yo, this is the bike section though. Is Justin gonna be shitting on this dude soon? Wait till Justin, wait till Perp get his McLaren on. Yeah, I ain't touching nothing. They do it to everything. Yo, Christmas was yesterday? Take them off. Take them off. It's not Christmas no more. No, it's me, though. La goma. A Debead, it's over there. El camino aquí. Estoy esperando que llegue la grúa, que I'm going to walk over here. Why not? Literalmente 1 minuto. I'm right there. Fuck it though. It happened. Everybody walking over here thinking it's going to be a crazy build. It's a Tacoma. That nigga took the whole crowd on your tight. Yo, they got a whole photo shoot with the truck,
Yo,
bro.
that's what he was saying, bro.
They got the whole setup up, bro. They hustling, bro. They gonna try to get it any way they can.
Yeah, I wish I had a drink.
Nigga, if I'm
Yeah,
the photographer,
facts.
I don't give a fuck. Yeah, facts. Whatever, I'm just... You know what I'm saying?
Got a little empanadilla.
You know what I mean? Have to make the best of it. Took like 2 hours. Pulled up to the meet real quick, said what up. 3rd time this year, man. 3 times I Debeaded this year. Same wheel, same tire. I've been able to reuse, reduce, recycle. You know what I'm saying? Still enjoyed the show. Shook some hands. Took some content. Now we go home. At least it's on there. Yo, bro pulled up thinking he got car didn't run. And he started on the floor. He was nervous, bro. Was sweating, bro. You're on stilts right now with the airbags. Still good. They be like, how your wheel always survive? Made it. All right, my mans, you know what I'm saying? That's the auto. Always get me right. It's his 3rd time doing this. Got it right here. And yes, the tire is still good. I mean, definitely need a new one, but every time I Debead, I just pull over immediately just to make sure, just in case. And luckily, I've been able to fix that tire already 3 times. But y'all know where to go to for all your tire needs and the real news, man. This ain't no paid promo, you heard? Y'all know where it is. All y'all favorite influencers and all your favorite builds be here. So that should tell you enough.